Morning student, I am your physics teacher. Already you know these things. Today we discuss about our portion of pre-half yearly unit test. In pre-half yearly unit test, what we learn? We learn the first chapter, the importance, science and its importance, and second chapter, matter. These two chapters are there in our unit test portion, pre-half yearly unit test portion. What are there? The science and its importance and matter. These two chapters are there in our pre-half yearly unit test portion. So, how do we prepare the pre-half yearly unit test portion? We read line by line. I discuss it in my video class. Also in live class we discuss with the question answer of the line by line. It's not that in your exercise what questions are there, only that question will come. We have to prepare our offline exam. So we have to learn everything. Long question, short question, objective type question, multiple choice question answer, everything. Because we have to prepare for our offline exams with paper and pen exam. So these two chapters we learn thoroughly, and generally we prepare everything for our offline exam. If there will be no offline exam, online exam, then what type of question you will get? You will get always the objective type question. Like that one, we use offline questions. We are giving to write the fill in the blanks. Here also I will give the live fill in the blanks, but option will be there. Right option and another option is there. You have to choose any one and then you mark it. Only you mark it. Like this way you have to practice. Fill in the blanks, true, false, multiple choice, one word answer or one sentence answer. The answer will be there in your question paper. The option will be there. Only you take the option and write the correct option. This is our question patterns of online exam. But nobody know now the situation when will be the exam will be there. So we have to think offline exam also, and we prepare ourselves as a pen and paper exams process. So we learn the long answer means 2 or 3 sentences, not more than that. In science, generally in physics, long answer means 2-3 sentence answer. No descriptions will be there. So you are able to understand the questions answer. Every questions answer I will give you in your as your study material. I think you got this book, physics, this book, Living Science Physics, Ratna Shahu, publication Ratna Shahu. Still now, if you will not get the book, then I will supply you the study materials of every pages. From there you learn. Okay? Day to day if you learn, then you see that one's physics will be not a very tough subject. It is very easy subject. If you learn thoroughly, And if you learn from first, you see that once you get the interest about these subjects. Okay, so first two chapter, what is there? First two chapters, one is the science and its importance, and another is the manner. These two chapters we have to learn. Up to this today. Next class we start the chapter. Bye.